Hello, welcome back to my channel. I recently went to my local Goodwill and picked up this tablet. At least that's what I thought. But in looking at this, it turns out to be that this is the Artist 12 Pro. It is a drawing tablet made by XP Pen. It seems like it's in good shape and I got it for $5. So stick around to see if this is trash or treasure. Now, let's get to the video. This is the Artist 12 Pro. It came just like that, no cables, no other accessories, so I decided to pick it up and see and give it a try to see if it works. It may work, it may not, so we'll check it out. So it looks like it's in good condition. The only thing I see is this little peeling of the cover of the screen, but nothing major. It looks like it's just the little cover of the screen, but other than that, everything seems like it's in good condition. Some minor scratches on the top, but not big deal. So I'm just curious to see if this thing works, and for $5, I mean, you can't beat that price. Now, just because it didn't have any cables and accessories, I didn't know how to test it out, so I went on eBay and picked up a pen, and also actually the pen, well, I picked it up on Amazon, and then the cable, I had to go to the manufacturer's website because I couldn't find it anywhere else. But with this, I'm going to test it out and see if it works. So let's check it out. So this is a 3-in-1 cable for this unit. It has this HDMI cable that you connect to your computer, and also the data cable and the power. These all three you connect it to the computer, whether it's a laptop or your desktop. In this case, I'm going to connect it to my desktop, and this is the USB-C is what we connect to the tablet. Okay, so let's give it a try. Okay, now that we have it connected to the computer, I'm going to plug it in. It has a USB-C port here. So let's just plug it in. That's it. Let's power it on with this button here. Ew, we see something. That is cool. Perfect, look at that. This serves like a second monitor. Awesome. This is not a touch screen like a regular laptop, so for this you will need the pen. This is the XP pen. So let's take it out of here. So this is the pen that I picked up on Amazon. It's just a simple pen. Looks like it's quite delicate, huh? Okay, it has a button here that I guess you will have to configure it once you install it, or once you set it up on the computer, and also the point here. So it's very lightweight, so I'm not sure. Oh, look at this, it's doing something. It's doing something on the screen. I mean, you cannot see it. I am not sharing my screen, but if I were to share my screen, you will see that what this pen is doing on the screen. Let me see if I can switch it in OBS. So now you can see what the mouse is going to be doing. So I'm just going to press the here, and you see how it's opening Windows Explorer. If I hover over this one, that is right now, I think I need to calibrate it, because right now I'm pressing on the Snagit icon and it's just clicking on the Firefox or web browser. But anyhow, it looks like this thing works. It's very cool. I just have to configure it. So yep, perfect. I like it. So it's just a matter of me downloading the application and configuring it and playing with it, because of course I'm not an artist. I don't know how to use this, but eventually I will learn how to operate this thing. Okay, now I'm going to go online and look for the driver for this XP Pen Artist 12 Pro. I'm going to look for the latest driver and install it on my computer, download it, and then install it on my computer. This is Windows 10. Okay, once that is done, I will execute the application and then start playing around with the configuration. So here in the application itself, here's where I can calibrate the XP pen and also configure the pen as is. Well, now I can see the first issue here. You can see the screen is blinking. I do not know why. So I'm going to go back online and look for an older driver to see if that will fix the issue. Of course, I have to uninstall the previous driver in order for me to install the second one. I'm not sure if that will make a difference, but this is just me testing out the tablet to see if that will fix the problem. Okay, so now I'm going to install the application. As you can see, it's a different user interface. It's older, but I'm going to see if this will work. Now that I installed it, as you can see, the screen is shaking. I still don't know why it does that. Perhaps it could be a hardware issue with my computer or the tablet itself, but we'll find out. I kept researching for a solution and came across this post here that says to disable everything on Windows 10 that is related to the pen tablet, as it may conflict with the tablet's software. So let's see if this works. Another post suggested to plug the red USB-A cable into an AC outlet, as probably the computer did not have enough power to support the tablet. I am going to try this one if this solution doesn't work. After changing the settings in Windows 10, the display was stable without flickering or shaking until about 30 minutes later, when it started flickering again. Not good. Now let's see if this works. This time I connected the red USB-A cable to an AC outlet and it stopped flickering altogether. So I guess this last solution did the trick, huh? I left the drawing tablet on for about an hour and it was stable. No shaky display on Windows 10. Now, one thing I found interesting was that I did not have any display issues on my MacBook Pro. It worked fine. So let's see, I'm using Fire Alpaca as the test software, so let's see. After all this troubleshooting, I can say that this tablet is a treasure. Thank you for watching and be well.